gonna put this in the microwave. Okay. You said it was gonna work! What is wrong with you?
Oh my god, look at it! Did it break the microwave?
You dumbass! I thought it was gonna work!
Don't use that fork!
It's just... What happened? Stretch it out.
Almost shrunk.
Yeah, but it broke.
Don't do that shit anymore, bro. Did you see the flames?
Wait, did you record it?
Yes! This obviously did not work. Kids do not do this.
It kind of
Stop
worked.
recording.